I'm here with Ryan Garrett from Radiasource to learn more about this energy-saving technology. Ryan, what do we have here?
What we're looking at is Radiasource. Radiasource is a technology that's utilized by NASA in the space program. They actually put it in spacesuits.
Wow.
They wrap their space equipment in it. And the purpose is because when you get out of the protective layers of the atmosphere, it's really hot in the sun and it gets really cold out of it. And so they discovered this thin reflective material kept the heat out when it wasn't wanted, and it kept the heat in when they were in the cold. So by putting this in a home or other buildings, the same principle applies. It keeps the heat out in the summer and it keeps heat in the winter. As a result, you use your AC less in the summertime and your heater less in the wintertime, and it saves you big on your energy bills. And oh, by the way, it's completely made in America, which is something we're really proud of.
Oh, I love that. So what exactly is this contraption?
What we have are two 250-watt heat lamps. As you notice, the temperatures are the same at 74 degrees. We're going to turn these on. Traditionally, people have said if you want to be more energy efficient, add more insulation. So that's what we did over here. On this side, one piece of Radiasource. We'll let them cook and see what happens.
All right, let's do it. So it's been about 45 minutes. We're back at the demonstration. Let's check out the results.
Let's do. So you remember on this side, we added more insulation because traditionally people think if you want to be more energy efficient, add more insulation.
Right.
So that's what we did. On this side, all we did was add Radiasource. And you can see after those 45 minutes, we've climbed to about 131 degrees on this side and 96 on this side. That's a 35-degree difference.
Big difference.
You can imagine what a difference that would make in the comfort of a home.
Absolutely. Well, if you're interested in saving on your energy bill and living more comfortably in your home in the summer and winter months, we encourage you to visit Radiasource.com to learn more about this NASA technology that's helping families across the country save on their energy bills.